Okay, welcome to the Proving Grounds. Now, my previous attempts at doing installation on Debian on a laptop were a little unorthodox. This is going to be a little bit smoother. We're going to do a WSL installation of Debian on my desktop, and then from there, we'll see what happens. This is going to be pretty quick and pretty basic. So one of the first things we're going to do is we're going to go and open up PowerShell. So let's see, PowerShell. Run it as an administrator, and now that we're here, it's going to be pretty straightforward, but first we want to see what's available to us. I already know what I want, but we are going to start with WSL and -L for list, -O for online or on screen, and here's our list. We got Ubuntu, Debian right there at the top, Kali Linux, and we also have other Ubuntus, 18, 20, and 22. These are all long-term support editions, so they're all stable. We also have 3 different versions of Oracle, 7.9, 8.7, and 9.1. We have also several flavors of Swiss, and then that's pretty much it. So, with that, we are going to move on to doing the installation. So it's going to be WSL dash dash space, then dash dash install, and then it's going to be dash D, and then we're going for our distribution, and then we're going to put the distribution name, which is going to be Debian. Now, based on what I'm seeing here, I'm assuming this is just going to update to the most recent version, so it'll probably be Bookworm, or it'll be something that Microsoft decides is stable that they can run in their environment. We'll find out very soon. And the installation happens. And there we go, it's picking up some speed. Okay, we're halfway there. And now we have it. And installing this may take a few minutes. Debian's already there in its own window. And we actually add our username. So, let's see here. And new password. Okay, and now we're in there. That's pretty much it. Now, anything else I'm going to be doing in Debian will probably be running off of this system. So, there we are.